Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadows of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below and press on shadows now. And you can just manage the shadows here. You can swipe to the left or to the right and you can catch the exact effect that you want. After that you can continue editing or just leave the project, and you can either save it or not save it depending how you want it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.